Alright, we're at a 100% gluten-free area over here near Darlington Harbor. It's called Wholegreen Bakery. So let's go inside and check it out. Everything's gluten-free, guys. This place looks amazing. Look at.
Hi. Can I do
Alright, possibly the best gluten-free croissant with ham and cheese. It's Gruyere. So buttery, flaky. I don't know how they do it. They got a sausage roll and fennel, a little side salad, tomato ketchup, and we'll dig in and check them out. Oh, look at that thing. Wow. Alright, if you have celiac or love gluten-free, that place is amazing. As many of you know, Copain in Paris is one of our favorite locations. But this, I have to say, the croissant here was the best gluten-free one I've ever had in my life. You would never even think you were having anything gluten-free in this establishment. It was just incredible. Sure, they use a lot of butter. But yeah, this is a must check out. And pricing was pretty good. We got some to-goes and really nice little lunch spot. See ya.